Welcome everyone. Today's topic is Introduction to Python Data Types. And in every programming languages, data type is playing a major role. In this video, just we will go through the built-in data types in Python. Okay, we have in Python we have eight built-in data types: integer, floating point, numbers, boolean, strings, list, dictionaries, tuples, and sets. Integers in Python, int keyword represents integer data types. So what is integer? Integer is a data type used to represent whole number. Example, three. I mean whole numbers. 300, 10, like that. So we'll get hands on that. Okay. I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to declare a variable num, assigning integer value 100 like that. This we will check that data type of that variable. We need to use type function. Just we will print type of that number. I'll execute this code. Would be able to see the output like integer data type. So like that we can declare the integer data types, and we can assign the integer data values. Second one is floating point data type or floating point numbers. In Python, float float keywords represents floating point data types. What is floating point data type? Floating point is a data type used to represent a decimal numbers. For example, any decimal number, suppose 100.5, 1.5, like that. It used to represent decimal number. We'll see in the code. Okay, I'm going to create a variable where something. I'm assigning a value 100.5 decimal number. Okay, just I'm going to check the data type of that variable. Let me check that type of where execute that. See, float. Next is Boolean data types. Okay, bool keyword represents Boolean data type in Python. What is Boolean data type? Okay, Boolean is a data type that represents one of the two values, true or false. It has two values, either true or false. Okay, so that's why we called Boolean. We'll check Boolean data type in code. I'm going to declare a variable where true, true, assigning a true value, Boolean true value, and I'm going to create another variable where false. Going to declare just we will check the data type of both variable type. Then I'll rename this variable. The data type would be the Boolean. The fourth one is string. In Python, str keyword represents string data type. Okay, what is string data type? String is a data type used to represent a sequence of characters. For example, XYZ or something name, sham, or like that. We'll get answer on that. Okay. I'm going to declare a variable name variable name sham. It has a sequence of characters, right? So as three characters. We'll check the data type of that variable name. String name. Execute that code. str. In Python, list keyword represents list data type. Okay, what is list data type? A list data type used to represent orders of collections of items. For example, list data type might contain duplicate values, and we will get in deeply in upcoming videos. Lists are written with square bracket like this. Okay, In list, items are in ordered. Okay. Let me create a list data type. I'm going to declare a variable list data. Oops, I'm just copying this data. Just I'm going to print the data type of that, but variable. I in this lecture, just we will get brief about the data type, built-in data type. Okay. Next one is dictionary, right? In Python, dict keyword represent a dictionary data type. Okay, what is dictionaries? Uh, a dictionary is a data type used to store key and value pair, like this line, name and key and value pair. For example, name is a key and value would be John. Here you see, right, age of that age is the key and 30 is the value. I mean, John age is 30 and his occupation, I mean, he is his occupation is key and he is an engineer. He is an engineer. Okay. Like this, we are going to declare the dictionary. We'll check it that in code. Okay. I'm going to same thing. I am going to copy this thing. The person object holding this dictionary values. Okay. And let me check the data type of that variable. Type of person execute. Okay. Would you able to see the dix keyword, right? As mentioned earlier, dix keyword is represented dictionary. Okay. Seventh one is tuple data type. Tuple keyword represents tuples data type in Python. Tuples is similar to list, but tuples are immutable, which means once you created your tuple, their element cannot be modified or added or removed. I mean, you can't able to modify the data. Tuples are written with round bracket like this, 10 round bracket 10 comma 20. We'll get to know how to declare tuples. Round brackets comma 20 print type of that variable. Would able to see the type of that variable tuple. The next one is set data types. Set keyword represents set data types in Python. What is sets? Set is a data type used to store unordered collections of unique elements. Sets only contains unique element, but it's not harder like list or tuple. Okay? Sets are written like this using a curly brace. Curly brace 1 comma 2 comma 3. We'll get to know how to declare sets with hands-on. Set is equal to curly brace 1 comma 2 comma and that's it. In this lecture, just we gone through how to declare a data type and how we'll check how we can check the data types. Okay. In the upcoming videos, we will get more depth on and more hands-on data types. Okay. We will conclude this lecture. See you in the next lecture.